So let's take a look at the WordPress admin settings for Schema, and let's see what's included in every page. Under the MCP server tab, you will find that by default the MCP server is enabled, and you can disable it if you want at any point. If you click on the How to Connect button, you will find detailed instructions on how to connect the MCP to your AI client. In the next tab, we have the MCP tools. These are essential tools for the agent. They execute functionality, and we highly suggest that you keep these tools enabled in order to maintain a consistent experience, because Schema relies on the MCP tools to deliver the best possible output. Under the General tab, for now we only have a couple of options that have to do with saving kits and some more settings about history and backups. Now in the context page, in the first tab we have the agent skills. These are skills that are used by the agent, and they provide knowledge and information about the process and the workflow on several domains of the design. And you can view the details of, let's say, the cards of any skill. We highly suggest at this point that you do not edit the skills. We will soon provide a much more efficient way to provide custom skills, but for now, despite the fact that you can edit them, it's a good idea to keep them as they are. The agent behavior tab contains some settings regarding the interaction and some actions that the agent will follow. And the site instructions is just another layer of agent instructions, so these come at a priority. Next, we go to kits, which is probably the most exciting page. And here we can see the available ACSS kits. So think of it that a kit is essentially a snapshot of the Automatic.CSS configuration. At any point, I can save my existing ACSS setup as a different kit. I can give it a name, and at any point I can import it and make my life easier. Finally, in the history page, we have essentially a log of all the actions that have been taken about updating ACSS settings, working with kits, and every action, as you see, is restorable, because I know that sometimes you get paranoid about this stuff. So that was pretty much it. Hope you enjoy Schema, and we'll catch up soon.